Hi guys, are you interested to earn 300 by only typing names online? Because in this very video, I'm going to be reveal to you everything you need in order to make 300 only by typing few words online, literally. So if you're interested to make money just like people in this page where they make a lot of money, 100, 300 here, 300, and just recently a lot of people make 300, 300, 100, Gary Public 200 only by typing online. All these people are actually making money with the exact method that I'm going to reveal to you. So if you are interested, stick with me until the end of this video. Also, if you stick with me until the end, I'm also going throughout this video, I'm going to throw you some special bonus, two special bonus to make you more money. Number one is how to spy your competitor proven tactics, and number two, how to accelerate your make money process. So please stick with me until the end because I don't want you to miss everything, detail every information that I'm going to be showing with you in my video. So guys, if this is your first time just came across to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Zaidi Mustafa. In this particular channel, I'm going to be sharing with you a lot of content, a lot of strategy and method, tactic on how to make money online, how to make your first dollar online. And if you want more videos just like this, consider subscribe by smashing the subscribe button below, and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well so that you're not gonna miss every time I release a new video just like this. So without further ado, let's get down to business. So the website they're gonna pay you for only typing names online is called Squadhelp.com. So SQAD help.com. So what is this website is all about? This is actually a website that provides a business owner to have a very compelling brand names or business name. So if they wanted to have a name, they're going to land over to this website and then they're going to start a contest. So you as a freelancer, as a contractor, you're going to be participate to this contest, and you if your name that you provide to them is compelling enough, and you can stand a chance to win the competition, right? So this website is already has a lot of customer, and as you can see here also, this website has been featured in Forbes, TNW, Chicago Tribune, Mashable, and a lot more companies. So this is pretty legit company. You don't have to worry about it, right? So now I'm going to land over to the active contest, right? So as you can see here, there are 422 contests that are available right now. So this contest here, 1 day left, 6 day left, 4 day left, and this one for the left, and etc. So this is all the contests that the company owner provide here. So as you can see here, this is actually for non-profit consultant company. So you can stand a chance to win $350, guys. So this one for medical device for $300. As you can see, the price is really good, guys. $300 who are going to pay you only by typing few words online this amount of money. This is pretty decent amount of money. Beauty female focused brand 300, screen printing company 300, and the list go on and on. So if you're interested to make money with this company only by typing name, I highly encourage you to land over to this website and get started, guys. So now I'm going to share with you all the contestant has been won the prize, right? So as you can see, this is all the list that the people won. So like here, the name of Payson, right? Payson, this Muyu Forever has won 300. RefGo, Omi Brand has won 300. Acquire Brokers, Ricardo has won 100. This guy won 200, 100, and the list go on and on. But if you have a look here, guys, this Gyro Republic, the name is just simple name, right? This one, Acquire Brokers, is just normal name. I mean, it's really easy to get. It's not a rocket science or something that really hard to think. So the opportunity, I think you also have the opportunity to win all this contest, guys. Stay with me because I'm going to reveal to you the bonus, how you're going to this bonus going to accelerate your process to win way more faster, right? So you can land over to this page to see all the contestant has been won by providing a name to the website. So now I'm going to be sharing with you the leaderboard, the top earner for this contest. So as you can see here, number one is Lito Dino. She has won 13 contests last month, which is bring her 45,740. Number two, IMD, which is $10,000. All Daisy won five contests last month and bring him $25,000. So this is all the list that has been won. So this is the bonus that I'm going to share with you. So if you click here, right click, and you're going to land over to her profile. So this is Lito Dino profile, which is the top leader profile. So as you can see here, that I want you to really pay close attention with the profile, because from this page you can get a lot of valuable information in order for you to stand a chance to win the competition, the contest, right? So as you can see here, this is very valuable information. Literally knows a winning portfolio. So this is all the name, the business name that this person has won. Little and Loom, Disaster Hawk. This is all the name that she provide to the business owner, and she has won, right? Charm Heart, Life Armor, Spark Up, Inner Work, Chill Champ, Goods Hawk. So as you can see here, the secret is this person is actually combining two different words together to merge them together and then form a new words that related to the company owner. So of course, all these words you cannot simply just form the words without related to the company. Of course, you have to form some compelling words, and the words have to related to the company business, right? So Disaster Hawk, this is actually the word from disaster and hawk. This is charm and heart, and this combined together to form a charm heart brand, right? So obviously is a jewelry company. This one is sport, life, armor, life one words and armor one word. So that is how this person won a lot of contests, guys. This is really valuable information for you to have in order to stand a chance to win the contest. So if you scroll over until the end, so you can see also this person has participated to 2,350 and she won 70 out of 2,000, right? So the tips here is really like this is a number game, right? So if you want to win more, you have to be participate with more competition, more contests. So as you can see here, pay close attention here, because contest won versus participated percent. So the percentage is nearly 3%. So as you can see here, January, she has participated 367 contests and she won 10 out of 300. This one 341, she won 9. 381, she won 13. So as you can see here, the percentage is the average percentage is 3. So that is the game, guys. So you have to be participate with a lot of competition, a lot of contests in order to make a lot of money. So as you can see here, she has generated $45,000, right? So which is, I think that is a pretty good amount of money, guys, to get for your supplemental income, to get some extra cash online, right? So I really encourage you to make your research, to do your own research. You can also click each and every one of this contestant to get some available information in order to help you win this competition also, right? So now I'm going to reveal to you another cool bonus, which is business name generator. So this page, business name generator, will help you to accelerate your process of having a business name way more faster, right? So what you have to do, land over to shopify.my/tool/business-name-generator, and then you're going to land over to this website, this page, and then simply type any business name that you want, any type of business you want, then click the generate names. Then it will come out with a lot of idea for the business name, right? So for clothing, they have clothing, produce clothing, lunch clothing, clothing spark, clothing anywhere, then you can get some ideas, some roughly idea to get some sort of compelling name for a business brand, right? So that is the bonus. So now I'm going to show you how you're going to get paid, right? So how do I get paid? After you win your first contest, the award amount will be automatically credited to your account immediately, right? So from then you can you can view the credit amount on your account, and then you can click the request for a payment. Then the payment is going to be deposited to your PayPal account, or if you don't have PayPal, you can use the Pioneer account. But I think most probably you have the PayPal account because it is the most popular merchant payment online, and it's worldwide. That's the most important. All right. So guys, that's it. So that is how you're going to earn up to 300 only by typing names online. So if you find tremendous valuable information throughout this video, I really appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel, because that way I'm going to you're going to get a lot more valuable information, a lot more video just like this. And don't forget to also click the like button to support my video, to support my channel, because that way also I will feel more excited to produce more video in the future, right? So that's it guys. See you on my next video. Bye bye.